Hey my friends, Sam Haymart with Test Driven TV. The SEMA Show is always big for concept cars from the manufacturers, and this year was no different. Volkswagen on hand with some pretty big eye candy in the GLI Performance Concept. At the 2022 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, the Volkswagen booth sprawled out wide in the North Hall with 9 different concept vehicles from EVs to SUVs. None were as special as the one under the cover until its moment of unveil, the Jetta GLI Performance Concept. Creating the ultimate Jetta GLI Performance sedan was the creation of Volkswagen's design center in California, who baked up a wide-body street car with racetrack capability based around styling touches and design bones long in GLI's rich history. Starting with the 2022 Jetta GLI Autobahn model, the team revamped the bodywork with wider front and rear fenders, nearly an inch more buff on each side, both with air-extracting aft vents. The wider muscles are tied together at the bottom edge with beautifully integrated side skirts. Now, someone really needs to make this body package available in the market. I really like it. Add these to new front and rear fascias with larger air intakes and openings for a mean-ass looking dual exhaust system that makes a statement without being over the top. And guess what? It's all accomplished in good taste without a massive rear wing. The look is planted down and sealed up with a set of expensive-looking rotiform forged GRZ monoblock 20-inch wheels with bespoke aero disc covers. The whole package is visually complete with hexagon-themed matte black wrap over its King's Red metallic paint. The cockpit wasn't forgotten about. Rather, outside visuals were brought inside. A set of Recaro pole position ABE seats were custom upholstered to match its exterior treatment with more of the hexagon theme in bright red. Nice! But what about the power? Yeah, it's got that too. The modified 2-liter turbocharged 4 now cranks out some 350 horsepower and 372 pound-feet of torque. It comes by way of a Racing Line IS38 performance package, an R600 carbon fiber cold air intake, and a modified intercooler along with heavy-duty oil cooler. There's an R600 carbon fiber cold air intake and an upgraded intercooler along with a heavy-duty oil cooler. An upgraded clutch is added to its 6-speed manual transmission, though all of its power does still only go to the front wheels. And helping make that okay is a completely modified suspension by way of Racing Line. The TrackSport coilovers at the rear and thick stem inverted front dampers at the front, along with upgraded hardware and adjustable mounts, all play into keeping that power under control. Stopping it are bigger brakes, of course, a Racing Line Stage 3 6-piston forged caliber big brake kit with 15-inch diameter carbon ceramic discs. Woof, that's a mouthful. As with all concept cars, the question always asks, will we see it in the showroom? Not likely. But it's fun to dream of a more Golf-R-ified Jetta sedan, isn't it? I would totally go for a Golf-R-ified Jetta sedan, but if you think about it, you're really not far kin from an Audi S3, are you? Well, you're still a distance, but that's kind of where it goes when it comes to the Volkswagen and Audi ladder of success. Nonetheless, I think this is pretty cool. This was one of the more sought-after cars at the show, meaning when they opened the press conference, it had the most people there, just short of Toyota with all of their stuff. It was a great show this year. We have a lot of coverage. You can see all of that right there. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel right there. By the way, stay tuned.